What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What is poppin' YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl DOPEaxxPANA, and today my cousin pulled up on me. She wanted a feed-in bun, and she literally told me to freestyle the design. She was going to a wedding, so I wanted to give her like a little pop, a little sass, but also keep it really simple and elegant. So I'm gonna share with you guys the design that I freestyled today. I'm also doing a lot of stitch braiding, so you guys can see my method on that, but I'm not gonna do a talk through today. I'm gonna let you guys vibe out to some good music. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, click the thumbs up, because I know you guys are gonna love this look. As always, share my videos, and yeah, I will catch you guys in my next one.
She likes chocolate covered strawberries and wine. She likes notes that say I love you all the time. Roses at your feet, baby girl be mine. Baby girl be mine. Yeah, yeah. Pick up your phone, I need your attention. My girl so bad we call her detention. I am so glad we moved beyond friendship. And your mama like me, look, I squared up with Cupid, told him find me. I stole your love, you shot my heart. I'm losing breath, it's getting dark. I think I might need CPR, baby, won't you tell me, do you love me like I do? Tell me what you're willing to prove, cause I ain't got nothing to lose. It's true that you mean the world to me, yeah. I travel around the globe, but I know that you're the only girl for me. And I gotta let you know that, yeah, baby, yeah.
Why did all the real ones go? Why is my night so slow? Ink seeping in my skin, hoping it could heal my soul. No, I gotta get my own. Swear we on different roads. I'm burning a fucking bridge, cause I ain't gon' pay no toll. Money can't kill my pain, but no, it keeps my dream alive. Honey be all I drink these days because my health declines. Running nose doing laps around them, cause it's do or die. It's do or die. And I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt, and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. My regrets are texts I couldn't send to you. Close my eyes and pretend like this never ended, cause I've been leaning on you, been dreaming on you. I thought I knew you. This tunnel vision is all I witnessed. Know you've been through it. Please come back to earth for me. This was just a seed that you planted in dirt for me. It's worth something. I've been trying to show them the worst of me. Name me one person who would steal from a purse for me. It hurts, don't it? We got some demons in common, but not the same lows. 5'9", but you be 6 feet deep and find a halo. I know where the fuck I'm going. These mountains just stepping stones. Pour some whiskey when in Rome, just sipping Jameson alone. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt, and I keep Driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. And I've been waiting so long, yeah, to have you by my side. That I felt it all, weeping alone. Your words remain carved in my bones. Thought I knew how this shit would go, so I don't know how the fuck I'ma let go. Rain and shine, I'ma get money. If you wake up, that's a good morning, yeah. Faces all around me, they yawning, and I'ma smile back if we honest, but I ain't doing nothing I don't need. Just a G chasing money till he go and rest in peace. Know that it ain't always what it seems. When my brothers blowing trees, they just really blowing steam. I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder if it's worth it. Always getting hurt and I keep on driving perfect circles, wonder what's the purpose. I'm coming back to earth. I'm worried about the way I've been living. I'm worried that you'll look at me different. I'm worried that this will all change. I'm worried about keeping you safe. I'm worried that I'm not that lucky. I'm worried that they never gon' love me. I'm worried that I'll be a fucking joke. I'm worried that I don't have control. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. I'm worried about my father's health. I'm worried about being by myself. I'm worried I ain't doing too well. I'm worried, but I did it to myself, yeah. I'm worried that you don't need me. I'm worried that you'll go and leave me. I'm worried that it won't work out, yeah. I'm worried that I'll never make it out, yeah. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early. Don't worry, baby, don't worry. Go and get some sleep, why you always in a hurry? You got bigger things planned for you, don't worry. You ain't gotta come to conclusions this early.
Flowers start to bloom, just like me and you. And I feel a change. Letting the light shine in. My patience wearing thin. and I can't find the words to say just how you take my breath away, babe. Can you feel my heartbeat loud? And it's something different, don't know what to call it. It's something different, and I think I'm falling, and I can't find words to describe it. Boy, you got me hypnotized, it's taking over me like a brand new melody. Your voice is like a song I've never heard, and I know your actions speak louder than words. But I'm a little shy, and I'm asking myself why I'm so scared.
What you mean you don't know Pana? She's dope. What you mean? What you mean? What you mean? What you mean?